In this video, I will show you how to fix Corepunk Error Code 0x405. Close Corepunk completely, relaunch the game and check if the issue is resolved. This method often works, so it's worth trying first. If it's not helped, then error code 0x405 is usually a server-side issue. The game servers might be down for maintenance or updates. To stay informed, check for the announcement on the official Corepunk Discord channel or search for Corepunk server status and check whether there is an issue with a specific server. Join the Corepunk Discord server for real-time updates. Look for posts under the official announcement section. If the servers are down, you'll need to wait until they are back online. That's it. Corepunk error code 0x405 is mainly a server-side issue, and restarting the game or checking the official Discord should help you figure out what's happening. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.